Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you, in my opinion, the only real way to get paid for watching YouTube videos. Now, this is a popular subject. I've seen several videos talking about how you can get paid $100 an hour, $500 a day watching YouTube videos. Now, let me be honest with you, all right? Here's the truth behind that. Most of the videos that I've seen talking about getting paid to watch YouTube videos, they ultimately teach you a method that involves a website that goes by the name of shrinkme.io. If you want to check this website out, look in the description. I'll put a link to it so you can check it out for yourself. But basically, these videos, they teach people to sign up with shrinkme.io. And it's a place where you can get links. So you can get YouTube video links, right? You can turn them into Shrink Me links. And whenever you drive traffic to these links, you're able to earn money. Now, when you go to the shrinkme.io site, you will see where it says you can earn up to $220 something. I think it's either 220 or 225. I can't remember. But you can earn, just say, over $200 for 10,000 views. Now, if you know anything about YouTube monetization, you would know that's pretty damn good if you can get $200 per 10,000 views, right? So they teach you, basically get the link out there, sign up with shrinkme.io, get the link out there, get views, and you can earn money. Now, call me crazy, but that's not getting paid to watch YouTube videos. That method should be called how to get paid for getting people to watch, getting other people to watch YouTube videos, right? So, a lot of people, and I get it, it's clickbait. I get it. We all do it. It's part of the game. I know. But that's extremely misleading. So I was thinking, all right, is there a way to really get paid for watching YouTube videos? And you might think this is like a little off too, but this is real. What you can do, if you really want to get paid for watching YouTube videos, is become a YouTube video editor. Yep, that's right. You could become a YouTube editor. There are tons of creators out there that actually need their videos edited because either A, they don't know how to do it, or B, they just don't want to do it, or C, they got the money and to outsource it. So they're like, all right, forget it. I don't want to do it. Don't care to learn it. And they actually hire people. So if you know basic video editing, right? So like, I'll do it the other way. So like, if you know how to put, you can put something here, right, in a video, or you can do a jump cut, right? You see that? Quick jump cut. If you know how to do overlays, stuff like that, you can actually become a YouTube video editor, all right? Another thing you can do is even go to find local businesses and things like that who produce YouTube videos and ask, do they need somebody to edit their videos? Because by doing this, you actually can earn, $25 to $100 an hour, right? You could even do it by video. You could say, hey, I do a video, up to 5 minutes for $50 or $100 or whatever, right? You can generally, I say generally, ain't this a bitch? You can genuinely create a business by doing that, right? You can get clients on a regular basis and, edit videos, because this actually is you getting paid to watch YouTube videos, because, anytime you edit a video, you got to watch it, and you got to watch it several times, right? So you might be thinking, yo, I love this idea, but I don't even know how to do any of them little tricks that you just did. I don't know nothing about that. Listen, I use Movavi, right? You can use whatever program. Do a quick little 30-minute search on YouTube about the best video editing software. Whatever one resonate with you the best, that's the one you get with. That's the one you learn. You should be able to learn basic skills in a day. No joke, right? You should be able to learn basic stuff in a day or two, and you can be ready to start making money by editing YouTube videos. Now, if you really want to get a good start, go to different freelance sites like Upwork. Go to Upwork. I think freelancer.com is still active. And you can try out Fiverr. Fiverr is extremely popular, a lot of competition, but it's very popular nowadays. So you can, once you get your skills up, sign up with these freelance sites and offer your service, because you can make real money doing that. The other way that they promote, basically taking a YouTube video, shrinking it, turn it into a link, and getting people to watch the video. That is a real method to make money, but it's not really you getting paid to watch videos. It's just not. You know it ain't. You know what I mean? But like I said, hopefully this video helped you out. Comment below, let me know what you think. And if you want another solid way to start making money online, watch this video right here.